What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's somebody technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox and check another desktop speaker. This is the one, and this is a 2.1. As you know, before a certain time there was only USB powered 2.0 speakers like stereo 1, 3 watt per channel, 3 plus 3. Nowadays they are making the 2.1 in that USB power supply range. So I have unboxed a few 2.1 speakers, USB speakers before. So you can check that out from my playlist. So this is another one, and this thing is from Amazon Basic. As you can see it right here. So this is the Amazon's product, and as I have found, this thing looks like the Frontech one. So the looks is similar to the Frontech speaker that I have checked before. So let's see how this thing is and how is the performance of the Amazon Basic speaker. This is the first time I have bought the Amazon Basic product from Amazon, of course. So let's open the box and check the product out. So everything is white. You can see the box, the inside, this thing, it's all white. So it's very peaceful color. And let's take it out. All right. Okay, this is a QR code to check all the products of Amazon Basic. And this thing is a user manual. That's it. The enough details in there for the small speakers. Give it aside. So this is one channel, tiny one, and that's another channel, and this is the main unit, the subwoofer and amplifier and everything is inside this thing. So that's the channel speaker, and the driver would be like 1.5 inch, I guess. Another one, the same. And this is the main unit, the subwoofer. And as you can see, this thing looks just like the Frontech one. Frontech already made this kind of speaker. So that's a 3-inch driver for the subwoofer. And here I can see a push button to power on off, and that's the volume control. And no bass control is there. And on the back side, that's the air passing port, and one USB cord and the aux cable right there. So that's it, pretty simple. So now let's connect this thing and check the sound of it, how it is. So everything is connected. Now let's power this thing up. As you can see, nice blue light around this volume knob. And now let's connect this thing to my mobile phone. All right, now let's check some sound. So about the sound, nothing much to say. Like the other 2.1 USB speakers, nothing special in this thing. But as far as now, I can hear the sound is clear. And what you're listening now, that's the max volume. And as you know, the mobile audio preamp is level is much lower than the other audio device, audio source. So when I connect this thing to my PC, the sound will be much more louder than this. So I'm going to check that out later. But now let's check some other songs with more voice in it. I remember the streetlights on the corner by the park. We used to stay and drink past midnight till the sunrise, talking shit, a couple kids. We were friends that turned to lovers. Yeah, we fell into each other, but our love burned out like a cigarette. And I'm wishing that I would've said, I hope you're happier now. Now that I'm gone, moving on. I know you wish I was burning in hell. I know you lost the memory lane, and I still think about you sometimes. When I'm fucked up in the middle of the night, I know you wish I was burning in hell, but I still wish you well. So as you heard, the voice is very clear, and also I'm feeling the bass right sitting here right in front of it. So the bass is quite good, and I'm excited to see how it performs when I connect it to my PC. So I'm going to do that detailed sound test later, but for now this is uh, doing quite good. And let me tell you the price of it. The price is only 699. So guess you are getting a 2.1 USB powered speaker, which is very compact and small ones, and gonna require very small space at 700 only. So that's a very nice deal, and you can go for it. As this is the Amazon basic product, so I think the customer support is going to be better in their own case. So that's it. That was the unboxing and testing video of this Amazon Basic 2.1 mini USB speaker. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos like this. So that's it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.